Hearty welcome to Kautilya's. Kautilya's is an educational portal for commerce and business management studies. The portal provides both online and offline training on job oriented skills. Online training is absolutely free. Interested candidates can open the web page, that is www.kautilyas kautilyas.com, and choose the topic or a course, and can freely download videos, Excel sheets and PDF notes, and can learn from home or from office or from your workplace, in your college, or on move. The portal is available on your mobile phones also. Once you are done with learning a course, you can test the knowledge by using our assessment tools. Finally, information about current openings are kept available. Candidates can apply directly from Kautilya's. Now we take a tour to the website. Kautilya's website is www.kautilyas.com. Once you type this message into your web browser and enter, you can see the web page is Kautilya's web page. So here we have a various links like Learn Finance, Learn Quants, Learn Analytics, Data Sources, Case Studies, Puzzles, Courses, and Job Search or Search Jobs. So in a Learn Finance, we have a various topics like accountancy, financial analysis, corporate finance, security analysis, portfolio analysis, derivatives, and personal finance. In quantitatives, you have statistics and economics. In analytics, you can learn MS Excel and SPSS. Data sources provides you information about various sources of a data which you can use to learn the concepts. And case studies in accounting cases and governance and ethics cases. We have a puzzles, crossword puzzles, and other non-conventional assessment tools or tests are available here. So accounting puzzles, corporate finance puzzles, derivatives, economic puzzles, financial markets, management puzzles, marketing puzzles, managerial accounting puzzles, security analysis puzzles, and statistics puzzles. These puzzles are helpful for you to assess your knowledge or to test your knowledge. And we have a courses. Right now we are offering 3 courses here: equity analyst, data analyst, portfolio analyst. And here we have a search jobs link. So we'll see how you can do or you can learn from this website. So in a Learn Finance, suppose we take a topic of a security analysis. So you are interested in knowing security analysis. Click the link security analysis. It will open you a new page where security analysis related topics are presented. In security analysis, we have equity return and systematic risk. Likewise, so all the topics are written here. So for each topic, you will find a video tutorial. Here is a video, and here is an Excel sheet, and here is the PDF notes. So suppose you want to learn about MACD line. So most of the statistic that is equity analysts use MACD line. So you're interested in knowing how to calculate MACD line. Now first thing you need to do is click on the video. So here is, skip the ad.
Popularly known as MACD indicator, is a very popular technical analysis indicator used to make a buy or sell decision of stocks. In this tutorial, I demonstrate how to calculate MACD line and
So this is how you get a videos. Now once you are done with a video, you can use you can download this video using video downloaders. YouTube downloader are available freely in the market. So simply download one software for YouTube, YTD software, it's called YouTube downloader, and download the video. So here you can see an Excel sheet, right? So serial number, date, and a closing price. This is basically an Excel sheet. Now once you have downloaded video and watch it thoroughly, then come here and download the related Excel sheet. So your Excel sheet, it is asking, once you click on Excel sheet, it's prompting you to save. Let us say I will save as on my desktop and save. So your video, that is the practice sheet, the Excel sheet, is downloaded onto your computer, and open it. So you have a Excel sheet on your desktop. So watch the video, and here is the Excel sheet, and practice, then you can learn the things easily. And we also kept subject wise or topic wise notes in a PDF format. Suppose equity written is here, so you have a video tutorial followed by its Excel sheet and notes. Now how, so just click on this notes, and it will open a new page where your notes is available. So here is the notes that you can use or you can read to enhance your knowledge in written calculations. So all the three, that is video tutorial, Excel sheet, and PDF notes, is kept available for you. So topic wise you can learn. This is how you learn each topic. In learn quants, you have a statistics topics. So click on a statistics. Here you are a topic wise descriptive statistics, frequency distribution, histograms, etc. And here you have a video tutorials. Click on a video and open a video, download the things, download an Excel sheet and notes. This is one way of using Kautilya's. And here if you look at the data sources, we have kept various sources of a data where from you can mobilize or you can collect the data. So here how to source stock prices from National Stock Exchange, BSE, NCDEX, MCDEX. So click on a video, it will explain you how to download data from these sources. Now once you are done with this, then you can assess your knowledge by using our puzzles. So suppose we take up puzzles and accounting. So once you click here, we have a accounting puzzles. So general and ledger, general, and here is a puzzle. You download the puzzle and try to answer. So this is a scramble puzzle. So your words are jumbled. You need to fill this, and you try not to worry. Once puzzle is there, you download the puzzle. First thing is you need to practice this on your own and try to get the answers. If you're not able to get the answer, here we provided the answer key also. So once answer key is there, once you are done with your puzzle, and here is the answer key to the same puzzle. So you can now check the answers for each question and then learn the things. And finally, once another stage of another advantage of a Kautilya's is we have designed the courses according to the job requirements. So here we have a different courses. Now courses on certified equity analyst, course on certified data analyst, course on certified portfolio analyst. So we have a course content, and do the course free online. So suppose you want to pursue career in equity analysis as an equity analyst. So we have a course content which explains you which explains you the course content. Along with that, we also mention you who are the potential recruiters and what kind of jobs you will get. Okay, so this is how the courses are designed, and these courses are designed according to the industry requirement. Now once you are done with the courses and you learn the things and you assess yourself, now you are ready for a job. So no need to search for jobs or here and there. Just come to the Kautilya's website and click on a search jobs. In search jobs, we have classified jobs into various categories like analytics jobs, finance jobs, marketing jobs, and HR jobs. So click on any specialization or area of interest. So finance jobs. So here we have a finance openings, financial analyst, senior financial analyst in Deloitte Hyderabad, financial operations accountant, investment analyst. So here you have apply button. Click on the apply button. It will take you to the application form. Submit your form and get a job. Similarly, in HR jobs, so we have current openings, management training, incentive planning analyst. So there are jobs that are available in various companies, and all these jobs what we provide here are current openings, maybe openings which are available as on date and which are posted 3-4 days before. So every time we continuously update these job openings here, so you can apply. So you can click the button, apply button here, apply now. It takes you to the application form, fill the form and submit. This is how the Kautilya's provides you a complete source, that is starting from your learning finance subjects or learning subjects or learning quantitatives, then doing a courses on specialized courses, job oriented, then you have a puzzles to test your knowledge, and finally search the jobs. And the important thing that to be kept in a memory is the Kautilya's website is updated continuously. Every day we update some video tutorial or some job openings or some new information. So to follow us, just click on our FB page. So you are FB here, click on our FB and click a like and follow us, so that updates are delivered to your FB page on a continuous basis. So this is a brief demo about a Kautilya's. We hope this website will be helpful for you and build your career and make you get a job immediately after completing your MBA or within a short time period of 1 month or 2 months of a practice of the courses as well as the topics. Thank you very much. We wish you all the very best.